Hello guys, let's solve another problem from LeetCode. This is also based on linked list, intersection of two linked list. Let me read the problem. Given the heads of two single linked list, head A and head B, return the node at which the two linked list intersect. If the two linked list have no intersection at all, return null. So if you see in the example here, the head 1 or head A starts at A1 and head B starts at B1, and it has common part C1, C2, C3, and the intersection point is C1. It's also mentioned that test cases are generated such that there are no cycles anywhere in the entire linked list. So if there would have been cycle like in C3 pointing to A1, then we might end up in infinite loop. So let's try to understand the problem and how to solve it. So I have drawn the same example here. So I have divided in three parts: N1 from A1 to A2, and N2 from B1 to B3, and C1 to C3, that is N3. So let's assume this is the length. So N1, N2, N3. So N1 plus N3 and N2 plus N3. So this may not be equal because we have the difference of length of 1 here. But if you see in the second line, N1, N3, this coming from the top, and similarly N2, N3 coming from top. I've added N1 here and I've added N2 here. Then it becomes equal, because this is also N1, N2, N3, and this is also N1, N2, N3. So why I've added N1 and N2, let me explain. So if let's say this part is A part and this part is B. So when it starts at this head, and let's say this reaches to this point C3, and then it will reach to null. Similarly, this will reach to C3 and null. But since this in this current example, this A1 is sorted by one node. So if A1 reaches at null, then this B will reach at C. A has reached null and B has reached the point C3. So now what I'll do is, since A has reached null, so this will start from now this B1. So what happens is, since this A has traversed this shorter path, now it is made to traverse this longer path, and whenever this B will again reach this null, it will start from here. So so what becomes is, so both of them, A has traversed this and again it is made to travel this B path, and similarly B has traveled this all and again it is made to travel this A path. So they are traveling, if we sum up, they are traveling the equal length. So at that time it will come and meet at C1. Hope you guys are understanding. The code wise it is simple. It will be just 2 lines of code. Hope it will make you to understand better when I'll write the code. Let me deep dive into the code. So given two head of linked list, head A and head B. So let me take another variable, A equal to head A, so I'll traverse till A becomes equal to B. So when they are not equal, I'll keep on traversing. If they become equal, I'll exit. So A equal to, if A equal to null, that is A has reached the end. If it is reached the end, then it should start from B. So it will go to head of B. Otherwise it will simply go to a next. Similarly, b equal to null. So if b has reached null, then it will start from a again, add of a, otherwise b dot next. So this is it, and I have to return the either a or b. So when they become equal, it will exit the for loop, while loop. So I can return either a or b. Then a. So let me run it. There is some typo. Okay, this is, sorry about that. Okay, let me run it. One more braces, sorry about that. Okay, these test cases are passing. Let me submit the solution. There you go, it works. Thank you guys for watching.